welcome back to the channel. I know you guys are sick of me starting the video off always like this, but I got out of work obviously, and my boy, he got I think he said it was a full spoon exhaust for his EG4. So I'm gonna head over there right now and we're gonna install that bad boy. We're gonna do a before and after of how it sounded. So yeah, I'll meet you over there. All right, so we're here at my boy's garage. Here's the spoon exhaust that he purchased. It goes right here. This is the axle back. This is the mid pipe. Wait, this is the mid pipe, right? The mid pipe right here, and this is I don't know what pipe that is, but it's a pipe. So he got, as you can see, Spoon Sports. It's basically new. As you can look at this, it's flawless. Spoon. Wait, can you see it? Spoon. That's upside down. Yeah, it's upside down. It's right here too. It says Spoon. Pretty much flawless, all right? First generation spoon headers he got over there too. Those are used, obviously. Let me show you real quick. We cleaned them up. But look at those beautiful things. So he's gonna smack all this on that EG4. And what else you got for me? Oh, the mid pipe. Test pipe.
Eliminate the cat. We got the test pipe.
Yeah, because these are supposed to be.
Got it from blocks.
They don't sell spoon ones. That's why.
Yeah,
The reason why is because the spoon exhaust is supposed to be connected with a catalytic converter.
What I see, this is an issue.
Don't worry, we have the technology. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slap it on the freaking EG4. He's gonna raise it up. EG4, yeah, EG4. He's gonna raise it up. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention too, he got this traction bar from what, EG6? He got it from an EG6, legit EG6, and that's about it. This looks a little bit ugly, but he's gonna figure that out. I think this is the wrong one that he got, but yeah. Let's raise this piece of junk up and slap on the exhaust. So we got the EG jacked up. He's gonna go ahead and remove the headers all the way down to the axle back. I'm not gonna record it because that's kind of boring, but if something happens, you know, I'll record it. Oh shit, he already took out the freaking headers. So there you go, he's gonna remove just the exhaust on the bottom and that's it. And then I'll show you when he installs the actual spoon parts. So far what he did, he took off the oxygen sensor from the stock headers and he put it on the spoon headers. That's about it so far. So he found out that he can't use the test pipe on this spoon exhaust. It just doesn't fit. So he got a Type R OEM cap. Yes, it's a kakashmaka. You got no type of respect? You? That's what you get. Anyways, hurry up and finish. Now that he's done, OEM Type R catalytic converter. He's gonna slap that on the whole spoon exhaust. So yeah, I gotta go to Lowe's and get some hardware. So I'll be over there in a little bit and I'll be back and boom blah bling. I'll see you. All right, so he went to Lowe's and we got the hardware. We got some nuts, some bolts, and some washers. So yeah, we're gonna go to my boy and give this to him. All right, so check it out. I haven't recorded at all, but these dudes was doing a whole bunch of bullshit. I'm gonna give him the camera so he can go show you what's down there. Go ahead, show him. What? Show the freaking. It's a squivy.
Show him the
fucking toyo.
You got some nuts and bolts from Lowe's. David welded this.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, he did.
No, I didn't.
He did a great job.
No, I didn't.
Got the spring bolts in. We lined everything up. Ooh, look at that handsome man. Ooh, give me that. Stay right there. Actually.
Give me that shit. There you go. All right, guys, look it. Check this out. This is the best part of the whole video. Whoa, let me see. Oh, my fault. Anyways, I'll show you how it sounds after they're done. This is how it looks. The tip so far, it's like a little pea shooter, you know, but it does have a silencer on it. We are gonna take it off, I think. I don't know. He's gonna hear how it sounds with it on, then without it. So yeah, I'll show you whenever he turns on the Lamborghini. All right, so they bolt everything down. They're gonna turn it on. Go ahead and turn it on. That's with the silencer. We're gonna remove the silencer to see how it sounds after. You have to remove that silencer.
pinza sound.
Hey, yo. All right, that's how it sounds with the silencer. We're gonna see how it sounds without it now. He's gonna take it off right now, so yeah. Whoa. So now we're gonna hear it, how it sounds without it. Accelerate that bad boy. Way better. Way better.
Get it up on gas.
Sounds way better. Can't get a kiss? Give me two. Come on. Hey, yo. So that's how the car sounded. It was a quick little flyby that didn't have enough time to record. Here's the exhaust tip, how it looks one more time. Sounds a lot better without the silencer. So if you do get it, take off that silencer. It sounds atrocious with it. But yeah, there's a quick little video. I think it was like a 7-minute video. Quick little walk around the car. And yeah, it's looking pretty again, you know? But yeah, I got more videos coming on the EF, on this car, and my cousin's RSX as well. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that